To get along with means to adjust, put up with, tolerate. Which of the following is not a meaning of the word rural? Botany, otherwise country, rustic, pastoral এই সবগুলোর সাথে কিন্তু রুরাল শব্দটির মিল রয়েছে। Paragraph are used to introduce a new idea. Once in a blue moon, very rarely, a red letter day, a memorable day. Expression straw vote. Straw vote means unofficial poll of the public opinion. A place for keeping dogs is called kennel. The meaning of bilateral means two-sided. The prefix "poly" in the word polygamy expresses the sense many. Chose the correct meaning of a bird brain. Bird brain অর্থ হচ্ছে a fool বা বোকা। The word bounty is closest in the meaning to generosity মানে উদার। She tried to be serious but she could not help এর পরে আমরা জানি ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি বসে, এটি হবে লাভিং।